Hello guys, this is me Sanish. Here I am back to Thunkable. Not back because this is my first video. So not like not gaming, but someday I will. So wait, why is there a duplicate? Okay. So today we are gonna make an app that's called removing sentences. So it's like this, like zigzag, zigzag, booba bee baba, dun 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 dun. So this is my app. So I'll just show you how this works. When I click this button, it removes all them, even if they're pleading to not remove them. That's why we are called villains. So I'll show you the code. It's very simple, like this. Remove all labels in screen 1. So this is screen 1. So let's start making the app. So the project name will be removing sentence, and the category will be games, guys. So here we are in a new day. Why am I saying day? Okay, so I don't want this button to be here, so I will say remove button will be its name. It will be placed here and this long. So now it's time to add. In the last app I done 6. I didn't count. But in this video we are doing only 3. So it, you can do as many as you want. So here. So now we have done, and now we'll type please don't remove me. So I'll do this. So this much should be its width. So now I'll do this. I'm gonna copy it and remove all of this. So now I'll paste so I don't have to do go typing again. So guys, this is a very simple day, because if you're new at Thunkable, this app will really help you. So when you have to go at button 1 and select, when button 1 click, do. So I will go here and click on advanced and scroll down again. Click on any component. So I'll take remove label 3, and then I will take all. This says button 1, so I'm gonna swap it to label. So guys, our day is finished. So first I want a bit add some little edits. I like this image so cool. It's a cool fox. Foxes are my favorite, as you can see as my name, because my name is Mad Fox. So in all the labels, I'll do yellow, so it's bit lighter, and it is possible to see what we have written. So guys, it is clearly available now. So I'll go on the screen, and one more edit I'll rename the screen 1 to kidnapping day. Wait, why was that D? Why? Day. And I'll do this. Wait, the spelling didn't go right. Okay, now it should be done. And now let's check out our app. Now I'll click on the button. What? Oh my god, that was epic. This is a kidnapping day, so I'll just explain you the story, like not a Roblox story, of course. So this is uh, this is a theft, and these are the children, three twins. So this person kidnaps them when he is hit. Uh, that feels stupid, right? Okay, so today's day is over. Thanks for watching my first video, guys. Please do subscribe, like, and share, and don't forget to click the bell notification button so you'll get my videos, next videos. Bye.